Okay, so hello everyone. My today's topic is all about Lambda function, and first of all, it is also called as anonymous function also because obviously, when we are declaring any function, we always assign one unique name to that function using def keyword. So when it comes to Lambda function, name is not required. Okay, so what exactly required that we will discuss, and also we will discuss like one or two example based on Lambda function. Okay, so and obviously we will also discuss about some important points regarding Lambda function. So how you can write the Lambda function, that is also very important. So you have to write the keyword Lambda, then space, and depends on your program like arguments. Obviously, like if it is one argument, two arguments, three argument, depends on that. And then you have to write your expression after the colon. Expression after the colon. Okay, so this is how you can use or you can write. So practically now we will check that exactly how to write. So first of all, when if it is simple, very simple program, there you can use your Lambda function. So for example, if I write s equal to, and if I write a Lambda, and see, you all can see it is showing me in orange color. That means it is a reserved word for Python. And suppose after writing Lambda, I have only one argument, that is a. And what I want to do with the a is I want a square or a into a, you can say like this. Okay, and I'm done with my code actually. But now the thing is how to call Lambda function, like because we have not given any name. So always remember one thing: when you are writing any variable name and equal to sign, this indicates using this name you can call Lambda function. So in our program, it is s equal to. So while calling also, you have to use name as s, and then in the parameter bracket, see, in the parameter bracket, as you can see here with Lambda, we have only one argument. So when you are calling at that time also, you have to pass one argument. And if you want, you can store the answer of this in one variable. Otherwise, if you want, you can write the print statement also directly. See, otherwise, this is one of the option. Otherwise, I will tell you one more option. Like for example, if I write x equal to s of 4, something like this. So obviously, my answer is stored in the variable x. And then if I write print x, it will give me the answer. But actually, how it is working, that is important. So here as I said, Lambda, it is nothing but the anonymous function. It is also called as anonymous function, and we require one variable so that we can call the Lambda function. So whenever you are writing any variable name and equal to sign, so using that variable name only you have to call Lambda function. And also parameter, so here it is only one parameter. So while calling also, you have to pass only one parameter. So now we will check the output of this program quickly. See, it is 16. Very simple, because 4 will be stored in A, and then it only one expression, that is A into A. So 4 into 4, 16. And then our answer is stored in the variable X. Suppose you have two parameter. Okay, so for example, in this program only, I will just do some kind of modification, A comma B. And I am interested in performing A into B, for example. So instead of obviously one parameter, now we have to pass one more parameter, for example 4 comma 5, and control S, and then I will execute this. See, 20. So now there are some points you have to remember while working with the Python lambdas function. First of all, it is nothing but a lambda function can take any number of arguments. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, but should have only one expression. Only one expression. Okay, then one more advantage of writing or using Lambda function is it has a very concise code which can be written, and which improves also readability of the code. That is also one of the biggest advantage. Next, we can use Lambda function only for simple function, not for the complex actually. And last very important point actually, the Lambda function most probably can be used in the combination with other function, other inbuilt function actually. such as map function, reduce function, filter function. So obviously, as I said, map function, filter function, reduce function, in my upcoming videos, you will find the detailed meaning of all these functions. And in that also, we will try to use, first of all, normally map function with the normal function, and then also we will include map with the lambdas, and likewise for reduce as well as for filter also. But till now, till here, this is the meaning of the lambda function, which has n number of arguments, but only one expression. It is used for the smaller purpose or short purpose. At that time, you can use. Thank you.